Hello guys, it's Asma and today we will draw the viral eggs inside chicks. So let's start. First we will fold from the half of the page, then fold another side of the page. It's so interesting and easy to make this. This is so great. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. So we done it and we get 4 pieces of folded paper. I draw the eggs and basket inside. I also draw the 2 little chicks who are very hungry. So let's draw with the black marker. The U-shaped line, first we will draw the U-shaped line of the basket and egg shape on the top. Here I draw the another little wooden stick and flowers. You can also edit some additional drawing which you like it. And here I draw the flowers. You can also draw the different sizes of the flowers. दरवाजा खोलो. Okay, so let's start the drawing from the inside. Here I draw the crack eggs and other crack egg and food of the chicks. The S shape and follow the same instructions.